Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making spicy pork and bok choy. You know, both pork and bok choy are super popular ingredients here in Japan, and I believe they always go good together. Today's recipe is a bit Chinese because I use hot chili bean paste doubanjiang, but if you make it more Japanese, just switch doubanjiang to miso. You know, the recipe goes easy and the taste will be super yummy, so why don't you give it a try? Alright, let's get started! Here the main ingredients for spicy pork bok choy are only two. One is of course bok choy and the other one is minced pork. Plus you need 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, doubanjiang, and half teaspoon of sesame oil. Well, you got 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to clean the bok choy and cut it into bite-sized pieces. You don't have to throw the root end away. You just cut into 8 pieces and rinse them well. I guess you should cut the leaf part bigger than the root part because it's easier and faster to get cooked. When you finish preparing, just set it aside and go ahead and mince the garlic as well. Step number 2 is to heat the minced garlic. In a frying pan or saucepan, add some vegetable oil with minced garlic and heat it in low heat. When the minced garlic gets nice and brown, add in the minced pork as well. Keep giving it a nice toast and heat it with medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Step number 3 is to add in soy sauce, chili sauce, and sesame seed oil. Cook it for 1 minute in medium-low heat. Then add the cut root part of bok choy and heat it for about 30 seconds or something. Then add in the leaf part and keep giving it a nice toast. When the bok choy gets tender, it's all done. Yeah, sounds easy, doesn't it? Why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, what are we going to step 1? Step 1 is to prepare the bok choy. I already rinsed the bok choy, so the first thing you do is to divide the stem part and leaf part. Then after you divide it, just cut the root end in 8 pieces. Make it half and make it quarter, and then cut all this. It's gonna be 8. Half, quarter to 8. Yeah, the root end is this side, so just cut the leaf part into 2 is okay, I believe. Right, and set it aside. Then go on to garlic stuff. You know, crush the garlic with your knife. Then peel the skin. Give it a nice rinse and mince it with your knife. Right, it's minced. So what are we going to step 2? Okay, why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to heat the minced garlic and minced pork. Add in vegetable oil. It's not heated yet. Add in it before you heat the pan. Because the garlic is so easy to get burnt. Heat it with medium, low, or to low heat. Take your time to heat it. Low heat. Yeah, when it gets nice and brown like this, it's time to add in the minced pork. Yeah, flavor is awesome. Minced pork in and keep giving it a nice toast and heat it with medium low heat for about 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, now 3 minutes has passed and the minced pork goes nice and brown, so why don't we season the pork? Start with soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, doubanjiang, 1 tablespoon, plus half tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Right. And heat it for about 1 minute. Keep giving it a nice toast. Yeah, looks awesome. Alright, now 1 minute has passed, so why don't we put the root part of bok choy and heat it for about 30 seconds. Keep giving it a nice toast. Okay, 30 seconds has passed, so why don't we put the leaf part as well and keep giving it a nice toast. When the bok choy gets tender, it'll be done. Yeah, it looks awesome, isn't it? Yeah, turn the heat in medium low to medium. Yeah, The bok choy is so tender. Well, it's time to play the spicy pork bok choy. Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it? Yes, done. Not by the touch of spatula if it gets softened or not. Yeah, it's time to plate. Right, why don't we plate the spicy pork bok choy? Yeah, it's good. Looks awesome, isn't it? The green of bok choy and brown of the minced pork goes nice. Goes good together. Plus the occasional red by Jiang. Yeah, looks great. Looks hot. Okay, right. Now the spicy pork bok choy is ready to go. Alright, now you know to make spicy pork bok choy is quite easy, isn't it? So why don't you give it a try at your home? If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave some message down below, and subscribe! Anyway, thanks for watching, and take good care. See you in the next video. Arigato, bye!